Hey guys, quick video. I want to review this flossing system. You know, some people are tired just flossing all every night. Now they made a machine that does the flossing for you. Fill up the bottom of the water and then floss your teeth. As you can see, the reservoir is 300 milliliters, 360 easily clean. You got the waterproof and there's a rechargeable battery. Absolutely amazing. Let's unbox it and I'll show you how the water comes out of the machine. Check it out. Right? Comes with your manual. It has a nice little pouch bag. Put it in. This is how it looks. Looks just like this. Turn this way, unlocks. Lock it up. You can fill it up. Nice. Oh wow. Now you have your power cord. And you have different tips to wash. You may have a little brush. Different tips. Absolutely amazing. Right, so you have the little hole. Fill it up. Okay. See, you turn it on, click on the water. Now, pretty cool, you have different settings. While I do it, I will change the settings so you can hear it. Okay, don't do what I did the first time. I left my mouth open. Don't do it, it will make a disaster everywhere. Basically, put it in your mouth. It's amazing how it works. I have to floss, and when I floss sometimes I bleed and it's not worth it. This work amazing. Put it in your mouth and everything gets clean. Absolutely amazing. You have different tips like I said earlier, but that's about it. Oh, like and subscribe. Hopefully this helps you to choose the automatic flosser. Thank you.